We are at Varsha, the residence of Maharashtra Chief Minister, for the maiden web interview for News and Views. Let's go and hear Mr. Devendra Fadnavis talk about how he is handling the drought situation in the state and the various reform measures that he is planning to take for the state.
While I was in opposition and I was raising this issue of irrigation scam, I happened to meet many experts on the water issues. And after going through a lot of literature, lot of past reports, I came to a conclusion that what Maharashtra needs is not just the big irrigation projects. It also needs lot of water conservation. I went through the report of Mr. Chitle, which very rightly said that even if all the irrigation projects are completed, only 50% of Maharashtra agriculture would get flow irrigation. So the solution for Maharashtra is not just the flow irrigation or not just creating big dams, but it is also into creating distributed water structures through water conservation, a watershed approach. And that is why when I went for election, I presented a vision. It's still on the net, visionmaharashtra.in. You can see there. I said, apart from finishing those major irrigation projects which are actually required, we would focus more on water conservation, on the approach of watershed development and developing distributed water structures. So when I took over, I consulted many people. It was like those who have done good work in this field, like Mr. Anna Hazare or Mr. Popatrao Pawar, for that matter Mr. Rajendra Singh, again the Shirpur pattern. I examined all the patterns and I felt that this has a sustainable effect. So when we looked at the past, we always had a focus on water conservation, but why it did not happen? We have been speaking a lot. So I could see that there was a thin spreading of resources. We had 14 different schemes and all the 14 schemes were working in silos. And not much was spent, whatever spent was wasted. So after taking into account all the views of the water experts, we actually brought all the schemes together. So there was a convergence of schemes, convergence of money and convergence of leadership. We made the district collector in charge of the entire scheme, and with this convergence all the 14 schemes were converged together. We came out with a new scheme, Jal Yukt Shivar, where the approach was water conservation through watershed development, not to work in silos. On the ridges, on the mountains, there will be the CCT, deep CCT plantation, which would initially conserve the water. Then there will be area treatment at the field level, and finally the drainage treatment, where widening and deepening of nalas and rivers and making cement nala bunds. So this approach, which was an integrated approach, was taken up by a new GR which was named as Jal Yukt Shivar. And when we started it, I think we got the amazing results. See, in 1 year time, in nearly 34-35 districts, we could execute more than 1,50,000 small and big works, and that resulted into a water storage of around 24 TMC in nearly 6,200 villages. And 24 TMC means you can provide assured irrigation to 6 lakh hectares. It took us around 1400 and ultimately 2000 crores to do it. There was huge contribution from people. 300 crores were contributed by people because it became people's movement, which we wanted to. And in just 1 year's time, we could create this water storage. Now, if you look at past, while making the big dams, for let's say this much of storage, we used to require 6 to 8 years and around 12 to 14,000 crores. So with small interventions, with public participation, with convergence of schemes, convergence of leadership, we could turn around. And I think now this year, again we have taken 5,000 villages. Ultimately, after doing all the work, we want to make Maharashtra a drought-proof state.